What's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another wig install. Of course, it's from Outre Hair, and we are installing Outre Hair's unit Amoya. It is a full wig, and when I say it's a full wig, it means there's just no lace on it. It's just a whole wig. So this wig has a wavy textured hair. It's very soft, very manageable. It doesn't really get tangled that much. It didn't shed, and it has some cute bangs. One thing about it is if you don't like your bangs full, you may have to texturize it a little bit. You could get some texturizing shears and just thin it out. That's what I had did. But other than that, this wig was a really good wig. It's something fast and manageable. That's the thing about full wigs. It's a fast and easy install. You don't have to glue anything down. There's adjustable straps in the back that you can use to tighten it and make sure it's secure on your head. But other than that, it's a real easy install. I tried to do different styles with it. I was testing out the heat safety on it. I was trying to see how well it takes to the heat, and it took really good. I had my flat irons on about 300 degrees, I believe, and I have the Babyliss flat irons, and it went through pretty well. I had no problems. It didn't tangle or anything. It didn't melt. It straightened right through, and it had a good texture. The texture was nice and soft as well. And I ended up cutting it into a bob to see how that looked. And I think the bob was actually my favorite look out of all of them. So, anyways, I hope you enjoy the install. And if you do like it, definitely subscribe and comment and give this video a thumbs up. And if you like this wig, I will put the link to purchase in the description below. So, thank you guys for watching and enjoy the install.